Hey, it's Martin and Arlo. We're in the studio today and we're making spiced rye ginger cookies. Alright, so we're making spiced rye ginger cookies, and for flour today we're using this medium rye, this new wonderful sifted rye product. It's organic and it's got a little bit of fiber, it has a lot of tenderness to it, great flavor. It's going to be really well paired for this cookie. So let's get to the mix. Okay, so Arlo is combining medium rye flour with his salt, spices, and baking soda. Stir to combine. Then vegetable oil goes into the sugar. And the molasses. Looks good, looks perfect. And into the dry. Okay, so Arlo's scooping the cookies. This is about a 2 tablespoon ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop is a really good way to make very even, consistently round cookies. If you're having problems with stuff sticking in the scoop, you can grab a little bit of water and just dip the scoop in there. It works really well for helping to release the cookie. So he's going to scoop a few of these, and then we'll start dipping them, and we're going to coat them in this coarse sparkling sugar. You could also use granulated, or you could just skip it. Okay, spiced rye ginger cookies, they're out of the oven. Really good, yeah. That coarse sugar really gives this kind of crunch, and then they're sort of chewy. Really good. You can bake them the way you like them. I like them with a little bit more crispness, but then on day 2, if you don't eat them all on day 1, they can be a little bit like stiffer. Whereas some people in our house like more of like a soft, chewy cookie. But I definitely bake them until you have an edge which is set, and then you can decide when you want to pull them. Another thing we did was I baked some without the sugar. I baked them without the sugar. And then I took a pint of local cinnamon ice cream, and if you take it out of the package while it's frozen and just cut slices and then put them on parchment and refreeze them, then you can just layer them onto a cookie, and you've got a spiced rye ginger cinnamon ice cream filled ice cream sandwich, which I'm sure is going to be so dang good. Maybe we'll split one. They seem like they're pretty hardcore. Cookies are really good. they have a little bit of heat. There's like 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and I really like that. I think it sort of like it brings some balance to the sweetness that's there. So I really like them. Arlo really likes them. You're already eating. I'll have a bite too. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers. Let's go.
I got crispy.
I've eaten so many of these.